Welcome back. My name is Jake Allen here with Emblem Vault, and I'm going to show you today how to vault a Dogeparty asset. So here we are, we're on the emblem.finance page. On the front page, we're going to go over to create, and we're going to select public, make sure that that address is yours. And then we're going to find out the vault name. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to the Medium post that says Emblem Vault tutorial, Dogeparty, and Dogecoin, and how to vault an asset. And we have a recommendation down here, and I've preset it just so that we can save some time. But here's the recommendations. I do recommend that everybody goes and looks through it. So we're gonna copy the name. It's the name, the year, the platform, and the overall supply, and then the amount that you're gonna put in the vault. And then down here for the description, we also have a recommendation. I went ahead and wrote it out already on the Medium post. So we're going to come in here and going to hit paste. As you can see here, you can see the description. This is what will be displayed on OpenSea. We're going to choose the file. I have it set already. This one's actually an MP4 of Jedi, and it takes a second to load. And it usually loads on OpenSea. We have to wait for the rendering. If it is an MP4, sometimes it'll take a little bit longer. So please be patient with it. And once it's sitting here loading, then it's going to come up with the vault. As I said, you'll see here it says owner 000, which means it hasn't been minted yet. You get this perpetual refreshing sign, which means that there's no asset. And you're going to come in here and you're going to hit mint. And what you're going to do is you're going to verify the transaction. You're going to sign it. Hopefully you have a Ledger wallet, and then you can practice safety. You're going to come in here and you'll see that it's going to be minting. And once you do that, you're going to have a gas fee. And so then once it's minted, it takes generally a few seconds for it to actually mint. You can see down here, it says minting vault. This transaction is going to be $7 in gas fee. This is at 11 Gwei. So when I hit confirm, and then the vault is going to be minted. Okay, so here we are. The vault has been minted. You could see because you'll have the ability to claim it and crack it open, which we will show in another video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move over to our Doge wallet, and we're going to find the specific asset that we want to send. So we're over here in the Doge wallet, and you can see I have a handful of assets over here. We're going to click send funds. Oh, but first, excuse me, but first, don't ever forget, come down here, copy the deposit address from the Doge wallet, and then we're going to move over to the Doge wallet because that's where we're going to send the funds. And we're going to press send funds. We're going to come in here, you're going to paste in what we just copied. The token name, we're going to look for what we have. We're doing the Jedi wallet. So you're going to find the Jedi. Make sure you hit max. And then this is the transaction fee, 8 cents. This is why a lot of people mint on Dogecoin, because it's very, very cheap. We're going to send it over. And then generally it's pretty quickly. And once it's there and we can see and verify it, what we're going to do is you're going to hit refresh balances. You're going to wait. And sometimes it'll take 30 seconds or up to a minute. Dogecoin's much faster than Counterparty. If you saw the other video for Counterparty, it took about 10 minutes. Here, it'll generally be a little bit quicker, but we're going to sit here and wait for it, and we'll see that it shows up. All right, so here we are. The transaction just went through. It took a little bit longer. It took about 6 to 7 minutes, really unsure why. But we can see that this is Jedi. You can even go to view it, and it'll show you the asset on Dogeparty.exchange. And then there you have it. There you just vaulted your first Dogeparty asset.